the downtown Grand in the new gallery tower. Our room is 3863. We got the studio room, and it's 360 square feet, king size bed. It's got a nice little bookshelf there, a little hook so you can hang stuff, a nice little sofa, awesome view of downtown Fremont. It's got this little cool table. What I like about this room, they put a lot of thought into today's technology and people's needs. So not only is that a regular outlet, it's got 2 USB ports, plus this lamp has 2 USB ports. So that's pretty cool. Bed looks pretty clean. We will do our bed check tonight. It's got a huge TV screen, a bunch of drawers. You could put your stuff away if you're here for a while. We're only here for a night, so we're not going to really unpack. Chair, carpet. Obviously this is a new building with new furnishings, brand new carpet, so I trust that it's pretty clean. We have the pool view. So during the day I could see it maybe getting a little bit loud, but it's not too bad. But look at that. We have an awesome view of Circa and just all, just Fremont Street, downtown in general. Right, there's a canopy. But yeah, there's a lot of kids. There's a lot of kids out. Look, if only this window could open, we would be able to take in the smell of Pizza Rock. And we're definitely gonna hit that up tonight. So it's good lighting, right? They have some nice decorative pieces. They have this really cool print. They have a little table there with 2 benches, so you can pull them out, just sit, I guess eat if you get something, and bring it to the room. Some shelving, so you've got plenty of storage space, complimentary water, ice bucket. So the hooks I was telling you about, ladies, you can hang your purse, gentlemen, you can hang your hats. Then we've got the closet. Whoop. Laundry bag hangers, ironing board, luggage rack, and most importantly, the safe. So your average stuff that goes in a closet. And right as you walk in, on the left is the bathroom, and it looks really, really clean. It's just one sink, towels, blow dryer, little makeup mirror there, shaving mirror, but pretty clean. Shower's pretty, it's not too tight, but it's clean. That's what's more important. So overall, clean bathroom. Anyway, oh, and I forgot to mention this nice little vanity mirror. So anyway, overall, pretty cool room, pretty spacious. I like it, and so far they have had wonderful customer service. And oh, and I forgot to mention, they do have this room valet. So it is a visual alerting system, so it tells you if there's a fire, if the phone is ringing, if there's an emergency alert, the door, I don't know. I don't know what that means. If the door is ajar or if someone's at the door, I don't know. And a wake up button. I don't know. I guess this is the room valet visual alert system is on when the green light is lit. When on, the visual alert strobe and bed shaker functions are activated. Bed shaker? What? The bed shakes. All right. Anyway, that is the room at the new gallery tower at downtown Grand Studio.